everyone, my name is Jamilyn Simbol from BSBA HR3D. Today I will discuss the Project 1 for midterm. This is the title. The fight for labor rights in the Philippines is a complex and multifaceted issue involving blood, sweat, and struggle. Labor-related incident. Significant labor-related incident. The Hacienda Luisita Massacre stands as pivotal labor-related incident in the Philippines, highlighting the intense struggle between labor unions and management over land reform and workers' rights. Detailed discussion causes. Hacienda Luisita at Tarlac Sugar Plantation was restructured under the 1988 Comprehensive Agrarian Reform Program, offering farmers shares in the corporation instead of land. This unjust arrangement led to low wage, poor working condition, and working retrenchment, causing widespread labor dissatisfaction. Key events: strike initiation. On November 6, 2004, the Olwe and Catlo launched a strike in the Philippines, demanding higher wages, better benefits, and union land reform. Massacre. On November 16, 2004, police and military clashed with protesters at the sugar mill, resulting in the 7 deaths and over 100 injuries, including children. Next, the consequences, the massacre of Filipino farmers and the assassination of activists and union leaders intensified fear and repression, sparking renewed debates on agrarian reform policies and practices of powerful landowners. In conclusion, in 2012, the Philippine Supreme Court ordered farmers to receive lands from Hacienda Luisita despite ongoing implementation and compensation issue, highlighting the challenges in the worker rights and agrarian reform. And this is the support photos. Filipino Labor Reader. Labor Reader. Pilimon Kapopoy Lagman was a prominent Filipino labor leader and activist who dedicated his life to avoiding for workers' rights and systematic societal change. Pilimon Kapopoy Lagman, born March 17, 1953 in Bicol, assassinated February 6, 2001 in Quezon City. Circumstances surrounding his death. Unknown assailant killed Lagman on February 6, 2001 when he was at the meeting at the bahay ng alumni of the Quezon City of the Philippines, Diliman in Quezon City. He died instantly as a result of the attacker's several gunfire. Contribution to the labor movement. First, union leadership. Second is founding of VMP. And lastly, advocacy for workers. Legacy. Lagman's unwavering commitment to labor movement in the Philippines has inspired contemporary activists with organizations like BMP, advocating for systematic change and working class upliftment, underscoring the profound impact and dedicated activism. And lastly, the conclusion, the Hacienda Luisita Massacre and the life of Pilimon Lagman exemplify the ongoing struggle and sacrifices inherent the fight for the labor rights and social equity in the Philippines. And that's all. Thank you.